It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 25th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Windy and cooler weather today. Temperatures holding steady for the rest of the week. And then the weekend looks pretty nice. Unfortunately, though, the prospect of rain here in the dry season looks very minimal. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning at 6:45 a.m. Clouds out there right now. We've had some gusty winds at times. Looks like it's pretty calm out there at the moment, though. So a little bit of blowing dust being lofted into the air and creating a little bit of a haze out there right now. 70 degrees at Sky Harbor at this moment. Dew point at 45, humidity 40%. Wind from the southwest at 8 and the barometer 29.63 inches and rising. Temperatures this morning, the cool spot, Buckeye at 62. Most of the rest of us, upper 60s and low 70s. Some high clouds moving across the area on the satellite this morning in association with an upper trough. Most of that energy is off to the north and east. On the watch warning map, we have a wind advisory here in the valley today from 1 p.m. this afternoon till 8 p.m. this evening, and wind advisories and red flag warnings throughout much of the southwest. Meanwhile, the rest of the country is fairly quiet at this time. Convective outlook for today. Some active weather this afternoon, a slight risk of severe storms from around Tulsa up to Kansas City, with a marginal risk surrounding that for some of the adjacent states. So let's see what's going on with our weather. We'll look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, the view from 500 millibars. We see a trough moving through the southwest states, the tail end clipping the four corners this afternoon. And at the surface, windy conditions this afternoon. Southwest winds this morning around 8 to 20 miles per hour, picking up out of the west, 15 to 30 miles per hour this afternoon. Gusts as high as 40 miles per hour possible here in the valley. And with some partly sunny skies, we'll climb into the mid and upper 80s. Tonight, windy conditions in the evening, then breezes will slack off after midnight. We'll have lows in the mid-50s to low 60s. Tomorrow, maybe a light breeze at times from the west, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Otherwise, mostly sunny skies, mid and upper 80s. On Thursday, upper 80s to low 90s. The sky mostly sunny. We do see another trough moving in to the northern Rockies out of Canada, and a closed low developing, pushing south through the northern and central Rockies on Friday. Now, the initial thought was this closed low would settle on in over Arizona. It now looks like the track of that will be to the east. Still some windy conditions picking up here Friday afternoon. West and southwesterly winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour. The sky mostly sunny, highs mid to upper 80s. Then on Saturday, the main dynamics will stay well to the east as this upper low settles across New Mexico. We'll see some pretty good rains picking up throughout much of the plain states, but around here, looks like just a nice day. Highs in the low 80s, the sky mostly sunny, maybe a bit of a breeze. Then on Sunday, we're mostly sunny, a little bit warmer, mid to upper 80s. Monday, upper 80s to low 90s, the sky mostly sunny as we have some ridging building in from the west. And then here is a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 2nd of May. High pressure off the west coast, dry west to northwesterly flow. Looks like maybe a few high clouds, otherwise mostly sunny, highs low 90s. Low to mid 90s, meanwhile, on Wednesday, the 3rd of May. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Thursday, the 4th, high pressure overhead, cloudless skies, lows mainly in the 60s, highs in the mid 90s. About what you'd expect for May, maybe just a tad above normal. Looking at temperatures through the period off the European ensemble, we'll see that cool down this weekend. I think we might be a little bit cooler than that 84 that's shown for Saturday, but overall, a bit cooler this weekend and then warm it up next week. And sooner or later, that first 100-degree day, it is looming somewhere on the near horizon. We'll see. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks so much for watching, as always, and have a great Tuesday.